Hi, how are you? Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm sat in a Ford Mustang Mach-E GT, and next to me is a Ford Mustang V8 GT, and we're going to have a drag race to see which is quickest over the standing quarter mile. Electric power or good old-fashioned dinosaur juice. Now let me tell you about this Mach-E GT. It's got two electric motors, and combined they put out 487 horsepower and 860 newton meters of torque. They drive all four wheels. There's no gearbox, it's just goes. And yeah, it's got a load of batteries in it, so it's heavy. Weighs in at 2,198 kilos. Also quite expensive this, £68,000. It's quite a bit more than that Ford Mustang V8. Now let me tell you about that car. So it's got a 5 litre naturally aspirated V8, normally puts out 450 horsepower, but that car's been supplied by Clive Sutton. Now they import American cars to the UK and they also tune them, and they've tuned that car. They fitted an intake system on it, new exhaust, an ECU remap, and they've taken the power from 450 horsepower up to 490 horsepower. Torque is the same as the standard car though, at 530 newton meters. Now that engine drives the rear wheels only via a 10-speed automatic gearbox with a torque converter. That car is lighter than this though by quite some margin, even though it's no lightweight. It weighs in at 1,740 kilos. Now it costs £50,000 for the normal Mustang V8 GT, and the upgrades Clive has done costs about £3,600 from Clive Sutton. The link is in the description actually. Now if you want to compare these cars' stats side by side, pause the video now and have a look. If you don't, let's get on with this race. But before we do, if you'd like to see these kind of drag races, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Anyway, let's get on with this race. Buy, sell, car, wow. Now before we race, we've got to do the customary Carwow sound check. So this car sounds like this. Yeah. Let's have a listen to that V8. Oh yeah, beautiful wind instrument. Anyway, come on electric power, make up for your lack of noise and drama by giving me some good solid acceleration. Let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, we didn't have a good launch. He's not even going to come back at me. Chasing me down, here he comes. Oh, I don't think your launch was great. Would you like another go?
Yeah, can I have one more go?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's closer this time. Come on, Mach-E. Oh no, he's coming back on me now. Oh no! Good work. I call that one each. Best 2 out of 3. It's got to be, right?
It has to be done, doesn't it?
3, 2, 1.
Might have jumped. And he's spinning like crazy. I've got this one, surely. Oh no, here he comes. Oh my God, here he comes. Whoa! I've got a feeling I might have jumped, but we need to have the judges just confirm that. Okay, so that crackling sound was, I might have jumped, it's very close. We're going to have to go to an action replay.
Our survey said...
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's going to be close. Oh, he comes now. He had a cracking launch. Your launch was sweet then, hardly any tyre spin, just got off the line, and I was ahead at first, obviously electric car, but then I ran out of puff.
Yeah, it hooked up well. This thing surges on every gear change. It feels like it gets quicker and quicker with every gear it goes up.
Yeah, the gear change is a bit like Fast and the Furious, so you like change up a gear and it's like the acceleration increases.
Oh, snatch, baby!
It's just bizarre, isn't it?
That is exactly what's happening. It's really confusing.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the CS500 won, completing the standing quarter mile in 12.8 seconds. The Mach-E GT finished in 13.2 seconds. Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Mustang V8 is in automatic mode. This has no gearbox, so we'll see what happens when I count it in. 3, 2, 1, go. Took a while for that to kick down. That's the quarter mile, which I beat him to, but now look at the distance between us at the half mile. Yeah, you kicked my ass there, didn't you?
Yeah, I think this is where that's going to have a little bit of limitation against this, isn't it?
Actually, this thing seems to really run out of power above like 70 miles an hour. It's so set up for the road. The initial pickup's really strong, and then it just goes, no, you know, you're over the speed limit now. Why do you need to go faster? That's what I feel like it's doing. So I'm going to engineer the next challenge so it's a bit more in my favour, because that's the way I roll. What I'm going to do now is a rolling race from 30 miles an hour. I'm just going to cruise along for a bit, let his gearbox get into one of the higher gears so it has to kick down quite a lot. So yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. Look. That's where electric works. So look, I'm at 70 now. I'm going to beat him to the quarter mile. I'm about to hit 100 miles an hour and it's coming past. He won that to the half mile, but I beat you to the quarter mile, which is some small victory, and I think I'll just take that.
Yeah, but you know what? This did kick down really well. I thought it was going to be really bad.
It's not bad, is it, really, when you consider it's got 10 gears to think about? It's actually pretty clever.
Because you drew out that whole thing, it got all the way up to 7th, looking for 8th before it had to kick down.
And what did it go down to? Second?
Yeah, from 7th to 2nd.
Now we're going to have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. Now, if you'd rather watch another drag race with some hardcore, super fast electric cars, click on the pop-out banner up there, follow the link in the description below. If not, stay with me for the result of this brake test. Here comes the line. Regen for the win. Electric cars are better at stopping. And I put a little bit of power back into the battery. He didn't, he just like created heat and it just went off into the atmosphere. What a waste, along with all the fumes coming out the back of his car. I actually didn't think I would win it, but I won that.
That thing stopped really quick, didn't it?
It's actually better at stopping than it is at going. I wish I could stop the blooming hazard lights. Oh, there we go. Yeah, managed to. Anyway, big thank you to Clive Sutton for lending us his car to drag race with. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know what you'd like to see us race next time in the comments below. Click on those windows there for some more videos, and on that box there to find out how much your car is really worth. Just upload some photos and our dealers will bid on it, and then you can actually accept whichever offer you want, obviously the best one, and then the dealer will come, take the car away, put the money in your account. It's simple and free. Thanks for watching.